The origin of a family forged in brass, a company that sinks its roots in the heart of the Second Industrial Revolution. A story that is intertwined with design and architecture, making the brand a standard-bearer of Italian-made products worldwide. The attention to detail has conquered the taste of royals and poets, indeed decorating their residences forever. In 1950, embarking on the most beautiful ocean liner in the world. To celebrate a 140-year story, time was born. A handle that cannot mark time, but that helps to secure this moment of our existence.